Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Oceanpayment to Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your preferred browser and go to official website of Shopify. Here's what the dashboard looks like. What we're aiming to do is access the Settings tab. You can find the Settings tab in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it and you'll see an option between users and permissions and check out that says Payments. Click on Payment and then here select Choose Provider. Here we need to search for Oceanpayments. Actually, this option is found under the Provider section. Type Ocean in the search bar. Here it is Oceanpayments. To add it as a payment method for our Shopify store, simply click on it and then click Install option. This will redirect you to the Oceanpayments homepage. After integration, click on Install again and you'll be redirected to the Oceanpayments homepage. From here, sign up for an account if you haven't already. If you already have an account, sign in and fill in the necessary details. The details required are your terminal number related to your credit card and the secure code which you will receive via email associated with your Shopify account. After entering these details, click Save. So that's basically how you can connect Oceanpayment to Shopify. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.